This is Dino going for his first walk here with us out of the Brooklyn shelter in New York City. He's being a really good boy. Look how handsome he is. It's pretty hot out here, huh, Dino?
Just a little toasted.
Change your mind?
He's such a sweetheart. He's a 5-year-old neutered male. Seems pretty laid back. And we'll see how he does with other dogs and cats and children. Where are you, Dino?